आणि आता खबरो विस्तारान महामार्गापासून 500 मिटराच्या अंतराचेर आशिल्ल्या सगळ्या बार्रांक शुक्रारा सावन नोटीसी धाडटले। सध्या गोयच्या 12 तालुक्यांनी राष्ट्रीय आणि राज्य महामार्गाच्या 500 मिटराच्या परिसरात कितले परवाने दिल्यात ताची माहिती एकठांय करपाचें काम चल्लां। 1 एप्रिलाच्यान गोंय सरकाराचे अबकारी खाते बार्रांक दिल्ल्या परवान्यांचे नूतनीकरण करचे नात, मात तांचे परवाने रद्दय करचे ना। कोणाकूय जाय जाल्यार ताणें 500 मिटरापासून पयस ते शिफ्ट करपाक जाता, अशी माहिती अबकारी खात्याचे आयुक्त मिनिनो डिसुजा हांणी दिल्या। अर्डेक्सो खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मुनावली।
See, as per the directions of the Honorable Supreme Court, these licenses should not be renewed after 1st April, whichever comes within the ambit of the Supreme Court directions. So we will abide by those directions, but licenses will not be cancelled in the sense that we'll suspend them, because as per law, Excise Act, they are allowed to be shifted if anybody makes a request. So if the request is there to shift it from 500 meters away from the highways, we'll definitely permit them. Supreme Court directions are for state highways as well as national highways.
So state highways also 500 meters away?
Yes, yes.
Both is
And even the service lane. So there are also some roads designated as service lane.
service lane.
Yeah, if it is there, then that also will be applicable. As per information we've got from the PWD, it is only one road which has service lane, that is the bypass, Hudugao bypass. गाडी बाडी मोडली जाल्यार न्हू हायवेचेर आसा ते आनीक सायडीच्यान सर्वीस लेन आसता।
ती सायडीक
हय।
हायवेचे
सायडीक आसा पळय हय हय।
धाकटी मार्क केला बाय पास
As per information given by PWD, highways section, there are 8 highways in the state. So details I have here because as per the report you have got. First one is from Kuncheli to Valpoi. Second one is from Asnora to Doramar. Third one from Honda to Pile. Then fourth one is from Sakeli to Cholle. Fifth one is from Ponda to Madgaon. Sixth one Bori to Juna, Pati Empul Juna. Then seventh one is Dar Bandara to Kurchore. And the eighth one is Margaon to Kurchore. As of now, the Supreme Court order is effective to us. So if any directions comes from the government or from any other authority, it says that, or if they get a relief, so we have to abide by them.
No representation has come.
Representations have come from hotel associations and all, which we have sent to the government for a decision in the matter.
Has it been this representation?
No, we have not yet got any direction.
Okay. Any applications for shifting of the licenses have come to you?
They may have come, but I don't have the data over here. There is a normal procedure, irrespective of whether they have been 500 or even the normal ones. So whatever as per the procedure, we follow that.